Hi little kids, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with a new video for you. Today I will learn you how to draw a beautiful rainbow gown dress for girls. Here I'm drawing the dress. Follow my every steps and try to draw with me. This is so beautiful and so easy to draw a beautiful gown. I completed to draw the dress. Now it's time to color it. Here I am using brush pen color to color this beautiful dress. I'm using here deep color and light color also. First one I'm using the red color. This is light brown color. Now I'm using the yellow color. This is deep green color. This is called turquoise color. Here I'm using deep pink color. This is deep blue color. Last one I am using the light green color. Here I am using the brown color for the waist. Now I am using orange color for the body part. I am using now whitener pen to make some beautiful dots on this dress. It makes the dress so gorgeous. Wow, the dress is looking so beautiful and so pretty. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more videos.